Hey there, it's Chris here again from Chainpals.io with another quick tutorial on how you can claim a payment sent to you by the sender and withdraw it directly to your wallet in seconds. So let's jump into it. Okay, so as you should already have a registered account with us, we're going to start this video off at the dashboard. Now, as you can see just below the pending invites and referred friends tabs, you'll find a box showing your last 5 transactions. Let's click on the one which has not yet been claimed for. And by the way, remember, the sender is able to set a block or delay on the funds they send. Therefore, you won't be able to make a claim until this time period has finished. If you want to know more about this, then go ahead and check out our video on how to create a transaction. Okay, now that we've opened up the details for our latest transaction, all we're going to do is scroll down to the green claim payment button. Go ahead and click confirm to begin the process. Now, as you can see, the claim is in progress. All you now have to do is confirm your transaction on the wallet. In this case, we're using Metamask, so all we need to do is confirm the withdrawal. This may just take a couple of seconds to broadcast and confirm on blockchain, so just hold on until you get the confirmation pop down, telling you that the claim was successful. Okay, perfect. We've got the green tick, and now we can go to our wallet and see that the funds have been added almost immediately. And just to show you, let's view our wallet's transaction history to see exactly when that payment arrived. And there we go, the simple process of claiming a payment. If you have any problems or questions, then just reach out and one of our escrow managers will be happy to help out.